Hey there, how we all doing today? Today's gonna be a good day. We're taking a look at a Seiko watch, particularly the SRPE03. Now this baby here is the new talked about King Turtle watch. And there you go. Yes, sir. Very nice looking turtle. So this turtle is not your normal turtle. The reason why it's called King Turtle is because it's got a lot of different upgrades. In the box there you can see the books. Here, let's take a look at the crystal. So Seiko has upgraded this turtle watch with a sapphire crystal. And it just looks great, looks super clear. It's hard to describe. As you can see it there, it's just very, very cool. The bezel itself is actually a ceramic insert bezel. Another upgrade for the turtle. The other thing you'll notice with this watch is the grip pattern around the bezel. It's a little more angular and easier to hold on to. This is good when your hands are wet and when you're diving, so it's another plus. So besides changing to a sapphire crystal, giving it that upgrade, we've also got a cyclops here you can see on the day date. What else is interesting about the King Seiko is the dial. The dial is a very interesting dial. It's a textured dial, and you have to see it in real life to appreciate it. So I'm going to move it around a little bit back and forth so you can take a look at it. The actual dial tone color is a matte black, which gives this checkerboard pattern it has. It's very interesting texture, and it's really fun to look at, and one of the best parts of the new King Turtle. Now, with those new additions, there is a price increase on it. This model here is $625 US with the metal bracelet. The other two King Turtles, the blue wave one and the green with the checkerboard, are both at $595. Overall, I think it's a great upgrade. Here we can see it at night, same great lume that we see with Seiko. The other features of the watch, including the watch size and the movement, the 4R36, are all the same as the previous turtles. I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video. Have a good one.